In today's video, I'll show you how to add friends in Minecraft PE easily. So if you want to play multiplayer with your friends, keep watching. First, open the Minecraft PE game on your device. Now, from the home screen, tap on the play button. Next, tap on the social option from the top right corner to start adding friends. Now, click on this search for people option. Now, type your friend's gamertag in the search bar to find them. If you don't know your gamertag, simply go to this same section where I am right now, and you can copy it from here. This is your gamertag. Once you search for the gamertag, your friend's profile will appear here. Just tap on Add to send them a friend request. On your friend's device, open the game and tap on Play. Then go to the Social tab and tap on Search for players. Here you'll find an option called Followers, where all friend requests appear. Open this option, then just tap on Add to accept the request. So that's how you can easily add friends in Minecraft and play together. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.